If you've ever struggled with elbow pain, you already know how frustrating and limiting it can be. Simple things like opening a jar, lifting groceries, working out, or even typing for long hours can trigger that sharp or dull ache in your forearm and elbow area. For some people, it starts as a small discomfort, but quickly becomes a constant companion that interferes with daily life. You might have tried stretching, taking breaks, or even using braces and pain relief creams, but nothing seems to truly fix the issue long term. That's exactly why the Fixing Elbow Pain program was created. And in this review, I want to share what it's all about and why it has been getting so much attention from people who want lasting relief. I've made it simple for you. Just check the description below where I've added the official Fixing Elbow Pain website link along with a special discount. So let's dive into the review. Fixing Elbow Pain was designed by two experts, Jedd Johnson, who is well known in the strength and grip training community, and Kaselj, an injury and exercise specialist. Together, they combined years of experience to build a program that targets the root causes of elbow pain instead of just masking the symptoms. They understood that tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and other repetitive strain injuries all come down to imbalances, tightness, and weakness in the muscles and tendons around the elbow and forearm. By creating a step-by-step system, they made it possible for anyone to reduce tension, strengthen the right areas, and restore proper function so that the pain doesn't just disappear temporarily, but actually stays away for good. What makes this system stand out is how complete it is. Instead of just giving you a few random stretches or exercises, it takes you through a structured plan that covers pain relief, rehabilitation, prevention, and even prehabilitation to make your elbows stronger and more resilient in the future. The program is digital, which means you get instant access to detailed videos and a guide that explains every movement clearly, so you're never left guessing. You don't need expensive equipment or hours in the gym to follow it either. Most of the exercises use body weight or simple items you already have at home, making it very accessible no matter your fitness level or background. I've made it simple for you. Just check the description below where I've added the official Fixing Elbow Pain website link along with a special discount. People who followed the Fixing Elbow Pain program consistently often report that their pain starts to ease within days, and in a couple of weeks, they notice a big difference in how strong and flexible their arms feel. Many say they finally sleep better because they aren't waking up with throbbing elbows, and others mention how they've been able to return to the activities they love, whether that's lifting weights, playing sports, or just carrying their kids, without that constant worry of pain flaring up again. The creators even back it up with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it and don't notice results, you can request a refund. That takes away the risk and makes it easier to give the program an honest shot. The real power of fixing elbow pain lies in how it addresses the problem holistically. Instead of treating just the area that hurts, it focuses on releasing tension, improving circulation, building tendon health, and restoring balance across the forearm and elbow muscles. This means you aren't just fixing pain right now, you're also building protection against future injuries. That's why athletes, office workers, and everyday people alike have found it so helpful. It's not a quick fix that fades away. It's a method you can keep using as part of your routine to stay pain-free in the long run. I've made it simple for you. Just check the description below where I've added the official Fixing Elbow Pain website link along with a special discount. If elbow pain has been holding you back, this might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Imagine being able to train, work, and live without that nagging ache constantly reminding you of your limits. The Fixing Elbow Pain program gives you the tools and the roadmap to make that possible. All you have to do is follow the steps, stay consistent, and give your body the chance to heal and strengthen the way it was meant to. And with the instant access and refund guarantee, there's really nothing to lose. So if you're ready to take control of your elbow health and finally move past the pain, check out Fixing Elbow Pain for yourself. It could be the solution that changes everything for you.